definitely have to invest in a pair of boots as this construction gets underway. Friday afternoon. A lot of work still to be done before Shabbos sets in today. A lot of earthwork today, as you can see, taking place on the site, hauling away earth. I think throughout the day there'll be about 60 truckloads. That's right, 60 different truckloads of earth being hauled back and forth. I think we have 4 trucks right now on rotation. And by the time Shabbos sets in, we should have a clear entrance into the site. So, you know, my kids are often asking me, when are they starting to build? And I point to the site and I say, construction is happening. And they're saying, this is not building, this is just removing earth. And I have to explain to them that removing earth is very much part of the building process itself. It's true in construction. It's certainly true when it comes to our service of Hashem and our personal development.